right, if you're like us, you've been locked in, cooped up, and are dying to do something more than just sitting in the house. And so we saw this thing on Facebook where people are actually putting up bears in their windows so kids and families could drive around, or if it's clear weather, walk around and do a little bear hunt. So that's what we're gonna do right now. We're getting our family, they're excited, and we're gonna jump in the car and do a little bear hunt.
All right, we're in the car, we're ready. However, I think we need a treat.
Red leaf or Starbucks? Starbucks to
Cake pop.
Here we go.
Hello.
Okay, are we ready? Oh, yeah. You got your drinks? You happy? All right, here we go. Okay, we just pulled into our first neighborhood and our treats are almost gone. But Dad here says we have to do some rules, so here we go.
All right, so here's our little competition that we're doing. Whoever sees the bear has to claim it and then frame it, which simply means if you see a bear, you get to take a picture. And by the end of this video, we hope to have all kinds of pictures of all kinds of bears that we see in our community.
I see something!
I do too!
I saw it!
All right, we're gonna back up
I
and
saw
park.
it.
All right, Ainsley, you got the first one. You got mommy's phone. Go take a picture.
I didn't notice those
See your
little
awesome
I
photography.
didn't notice those
What?
red animals up there.
What is that?
It looks like a bunny.
All right, here we go.
There's something
Keep your eyes
on the
peeled.
road.
I see some friends out. Kinsley,
Oh, Mayor.
the mares.
Very good. Just getting out. Going on a bear hunt.
Oh, I see it! I see it!
I see one, guys! I see one!
Oh, yeah. Good job, Phoenix.
First one, my first
All right, this is Phoenix's first find. She's gonna try to take the shot. She's got mad camera skills. Oh, man.
I am mad!
Okay. Where? Give it. Take the shot.
Maybe I should do it. No, it's not your turn.
Okay, you get it?
Or maybe those still stuck there, but that still counts because there's something there. I see something! I see
Oh.
something! It's a little pink now.
What is that?
Good. It's a good cover shot.
Is it a pig?
What is it? I think it's a. I can't get out there. I saw one.
Here, I'll take the picture of
It's
this
not
thing.
the window. It's a real life cat.
It's not a real.
It's a real life cat. See something? Right there in that window, you see a little bit.
Is that something?
No.
Another
False
false
alarm.
That's something. It's not.
It's Clorox bleach wipes.
I see something in that window right there.
All right, Phoenix, we'll let you take a picture.
Like a water bottle and cleaning
All
supplies.
right, here you go, Phoenix. Take a picture.
Okay.
Supplies. That's just cleaning supplies.
Hey, those are very valuable during this time. Phoenix, do you even have it? You even have a picture? Okay. You
Let
got
me
it.
take it. No, it's not your picture. It's
All right. It's
not something we claim.
Phoenix, you might have to stick the
I
window.
call bird. I call bird. I call bird.
2 hours later.
It's right there.
Oh my goodness.
Here we go.
Close my window, please, my window.
Okay, that's alright. Alright, again.
There's nothing on my side.
Oh, Santiago.
I see one. I see one.
Whoop!
Bear.
Yeah.
What are the
Who's gonna win?
No, me. She will soon.
Well, that was the end of our first neighborhood. We had a lot of success. What was your favorite part?
The cat.
Cat.
The cat or the dinosaur.
Of course.
Actually, I can't decide. They're all gay.
Anyway, so we're now heading
Cat is
over
bear.
to what we believe is the jackpot of bears in our community. So we're gonna check it out.
Okay.
This is Mrs. Morris's house.
I say something.
Your music teacher.
I want to take a picture of the bear.
All right. Oh, there
Maybe.
she is. Hi.
Melissa. Look at my side. You're not. Melissa.
Returning.
Let's get Pamela. This is a video.
No video.
I know, you just. I had it.
Got this. All right, that's a good one.
No, I
What? No,
didn't
that was
get
good.
it actually.
Oh, that was the old photo. All right, you got this.
But I concentrate.
Well, yeah, lean your arms up against the door. There you go. It'll keep the camera steady. Got it? Yes.
I got it.
All right. Oh, double, both sides, both sides. All right. Thanks for
Sophia's house.
Hey, get your seatbelt.
Hi, Sophia.
I miss you.
I miss you. I see one.
Oh, really? Funny. Are you on a bear hunt?
Us too.
Yeah.
Hi.
Better than sitting
Wait,
inside.
there's Sophia.
Up.
Okay, so we haven't gotten far on this street. I think we definitely hit the jackpot,
I got a little bit of
and we are going like inches right now.
Look, I got.
Thought this was a bear, but he's so proud. precious. Oh.
I don't know if it's a he or she.
Ear.
Got threes. Got fries.
Got fries.
Fries.
Yay.
Alright, need to get back in. Did you
So
get
I
it?
miss you.
Wait, can I just get one more picture? That's so about you guys out. Bye, Captain Mackenzie.
Bye, friends. Okay. Although we wanted to film the bear hunt in our community, we want to go see our cousins who are 15 minutes away. So we're on our way. Hi, cousins!
Hi, cousins.
Wave to your cousins.
So we just got back. It was a great time of getting her out of our houses and just seeing our community and all the amazing people sharing their love through those bears. Girls, what did you think?
It was great.
Oh my God!
And
That was hilarious. Good job, Woodland community, and to all our friends. We love you. We miss you.
and if you want to have Phoenix be your photographer anytime soon, she's for hire. But all right, girls, you want to say something?